To get vibration feedback when your call is answered on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable vibrate when answered option in the phone app setting. To do so, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap call alert and ringtone. Under call alert section, tap the gray on OSIP next to vibrate when answered until the switch on screen to turn it on. Given to the function, enabling vibration when calls are answered can provide you a subtle yet useful alert, ensuring you know exactly when the other person picks up. This feature is especially helpful in noisy environment or when you have your phone in silent. So by turning this feature on, you can stay aware of call connection without constantly checking your screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.